another formation 3 years ago. The first time here in the mountain and Marrakech there is an earthquake, so 3,000 dead and 5,000 wounded here in the mountain. But now King of Morocco had all the family living here in this mountain for building a new house.
Thomas, can you see the mosque damage over there? You see the mosque? There is damage. Look. You see?
Oh yeah. From the earthquake.
Yeah. And now can you see in your right earth houses also damaged? Here in your right one. Okay, so now we'll stop the first stop for visit the Berber house with the locals and take small breakfast.
When the earthquake struck late at night, entire villages in Morocco's high Atlas Mountains collapsed in on themselves in a matter of seconds. More than 50,000 homes were completely or partly demolished by the 6.8 magnitude earthquake, the strongest to hit Morocco in more than a century. Nearly 3,000 people were killed, according to the latest government figures, and more than 5,600 were injured.
There's a family of 10 person that hate this house.
Yeah.
And this is in your house now. Guys, this is a small rabbit here inside.
Oh.
A rabbit, yeah. Ils ont voulu dire bonjour en berbère, c'est Azul. Voilà, c'est bien, c'est clair. Donc c'est la cuisine, ici c'est notre matériel. Kazan, je vais être Yeah. Just prenez des photos si vous voulez. Okay guys, now we are in a Berber family with the locals. So here is 10 people living in this house. And here in your left, this is TV room for family, and inside this is kitchen. And if you want to say hello in Berber language, Azul for family, right? Azul is hello, okay? Yeah, yes, that's good. And you can take picture anywhere, so it's okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. So, go inside and watch your head, okay?
Hello.
Azul. Azul is hello.
شكرا. شوية.
Watch your head, guys, please.
Okay. Hello.
Okay, guys, here this is a new building after earthquake, and here is a new kitchen. So here, Madame Zahra making bread, couscous, tagine, everything. Yes, it's a new kitchen. Yeah. And this is more room for guests. Kitchen, kitchen. This is more room for guests.
Okay.